What's up YT, this is your boy DJY and I'm back with another episode. So in today's video I want to show you legendary Slick Rick celebrating dropping new album with the title Victory. So he had so many special guests. Here was Nasir Jones, Wu-Tang and many more. Check this out, exclusive for GYT, come on.
Everybody here?
Areas where in New York City where you was buying some of the royal jewelry.
I got my biggest pieces from Canal Street. Back in the days, you remember Canal?
For sure.
So yeah, I got the biggest.
I was dreaming of jewelry back then.
Diamond District, you know, the Diamond District and the Canal Street. So the two biggest pieces I got was from Canal. There was no window for a while. This is back in the crack era, you know? Yeah. So some drug dealer must have made it, but he couldn't come back and get it. Must have got caught or something, you know? So it stood in the window for like years, for like 2-3 years. And I said, I gotta get this shit, nigga. This is like, this is setting the standard, right? You know what I'm saying, boss? So we went big on them, you know what I mean, kid? Like, yeah.
Go say bus. We went big on them. It's all your fault.
So guys, as you see last night, it was to the next level. You already know Slick Rick dropped new live music album with the title Victory. And this is great piece of work and the music is amazing. Major shout out to legendary Slick Rick. Guys, before I will finish the video, I want to ask you a question of the day. Please honestly tell me what is your all-time favorite album by Slick Rick. Just tell me in comment section. Thanks for watching. Peace.
What up, it's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit YTB. Just keep it going.